Hello, kids. Now we are going to write O sound words. Let's start with O, B, ob words. J, O, B, job. R, O, B, rob. S, O, B, sob. Now we are going to write O, D, odd words. N, O, D, nod. P, O, D, pod. R, O, D, rod. Now we are going to write O, G, og words. Let's start. D, O, G, dog. F, O, G, fog. J, O, G, jog. L, O, G, log. K, O, G, cog. Now we are going to write O, T, odd words. Let's start. D, O, T, dot. K, O, T, cot. H, O, T, hot. N, O, T, not. P, O, T, pot. Now let's start. O, P, op words. H, O, P, hop. M, O, P, mop. T, O, P, top. Now next, ox, ox words. B, ox, box. F, ox, fox. So kids, we have done O sound words. Do practice and goodbye.